Great place. Host is kind and welcoming. Place is comfortable. We'll stay here again in future. Homely feeling. The check-in process is concise and smooth. Host is fast to respond to queries, etc. Our stay was comfortable. Accessible to nearby shopping and eateries. Happy to return here if we visit KK again. Best accommodation. Definitely will come back. Stayed here for 2 nights. No regret at all. 100% safety. Very convenient place, near to shopping and restaurants. Very clean. Swimming pool also best and clean. The suite complete with all you need. Provide good facility. Really enjoy our vacation with your lovely suite. Not bad. Highly recommend it for anyone seeking a comfortable and welcoming stay. Luxurious living. I highly recommend living in one of apartment buildings. The combination of luxurious living spaces, excellent service, and the personal touch of the owner truly sets them apart. I cannot speak highly enough about my experience. Thank you, owner of Luxury Suite at Riverson SOHO, City Center, for providing such a wonderful living environment. Exceptional. I choose private stay and calmness. This place sure has gave me the ultimate priority of my rec. Highly recommended. Comfy and convenient. Best getaway. The location is superb, a walking distance to malls. The place is clean, well equipped, just bring your clothes only. Not to mention the staff, Ms. Vivian made the communication pleasurable. Room overlooking pool, just nice. Recommended for small family too. Home away from home. A very personal touch with caring and concern for our arrival from the host. Gave a very detailed checking-in list. Very nice attitude. Feel like home away from home. All the facilities were up to date. From every prospect, perfect, just perfect. Thank you for hosting us. Recommended 5 stars. Great. This house is completed such as you at your own home. We'll stay here again on next trip.